what are our choices? The final judgment portrayed in the passage in today's gospel underscores the importance of our daily choices. Our actions have eternal significance. This inspires us to live with intention, recognizing that every act of kindness or lack thereof has a ripple effect. It calls us to be a life of active love and service, knowing that our choices matter. Kaya po mamaya, pag-uwi, application. Do we truly see Christ in our fellow humans, particularly to the poor and needy? Amen.